Anthropomorphism. Why we do it. Anthropomorphism, the act of attributing human characteristics to non-human entities, can be understood more deeply through its psychological roots. Delving into the psychological motivations and inclinations behind this phenomenon reveals our basic cognitive structures, social needs, and emotional coping mechanisms. Evolutionary perspective. From an evolutionary standpoint, recognizing human-like attributes, especially faces, would have been advantageous. Early humans who could quickly identify faces and social cues might have been more adept at understanding social hierarchies, detecting potential threats, and forming alliances. Therefore, the predisposition to see human-like features in our surroundings could be hardwired into our brains due to natural selection. Theory of mind. This refers to the ability to attribute mental states, such as beliefs, desires, and intentions, to oneself and others. Children begin to develop this ability early on, which allows them to predict and understand the behavior of others. Anthropomorphism can be seen as an extension of this, where we attribute a theory of mind to animals, objects, or even abstract concepts. The need for social connection. Humans are inherently social creatures. When isolated or lonely, we seek companionship, even if it's with non-human entities. Think of the Wilson volleyball from the movie Cast Away. In situations where human interaction is limited, we might derive comfort from conversing with pets or even inanimate objects, fulfilling our innate need for social connection. Pattern recognition. The human brain is remarkably adept at pattern recognition. We naturally seek patterns and connections in our environment. This skill helps us recognize familiar objects, predict outcomes, and understand complex systems. Sometimes, this drive can lead us to perceive human attributes where they don't exist, like seeing faces in clouds or rock formations. Coping mechanism. Anthropomorphism can also serve as an emotional coping mechanism. By attributing human emotions to animals, we can project our feelings, fears, or hopes onto them. For example, believing a deceased loved one is present in a bird or butterfly can provide comfort. Ego function. Attributing human qualities to the world around us can make us feel more central or significant in the grand scheme of things. If the universe or nature, or even animals think and feel similarly to us, it reaffirms our place and relevance. Curiosity and learning. Children's propensity to anthropomorphize might be linked to their learning style. By relating unfamiliar concepts to known human-like traits, they can better understand and remember them. This style of learning isn't limited to children. Adults often use anthropomorphic metaphors to grasp complex concepts. However, as babies, we have better differentiation of species other than humans. This wanes over time due to not needing the ability in our daily lives, and we just get used to human faces. So these could be the main reasons we look at Name Our Cars, talk to Siri as if it's a person, and Hollywood aliens look eerily like people.